So a common problem that you might run into as a car owner is low battery in your car's remote. So to access these, we're going to pop the back here like this, and it's going to expose our battery. Now these are rated for 3 volts, so we're going to measure them with a multimeter. So we're measuring this one, and it measures at 3.1 volts, which is a good battery. So as soon as it drops under 3 volts, then it's time to replace that battery. So on the top of the battery, it says 2032, and that's the type that you need to replace it. Replacement batteries come in 2032, 2025, and 2016. The most common ones are 2032 and 2025.